Delivering food to stray cats using RC car. The cat food I made myself. Some probiotic soup for their gut health. Some freeze-dried powder.
Ready, go!
Let's stop here. VMAX is the first one. Obviously, the orange cat has caught up and surpassed. There's something wrong with this guy. I bet he is gonna regret it soon. Haha, that is exactly what I am talking about. Putting those aside, he still did a good job. Without the participation of other cats, he enjoys these foods very much. I think he is almost full. Aha, I know those guys so well.